not a drink chick. And you see how fast you can run when the water's coming. Because I know you'd love to see me in the water, but the water, it's a little cool out here. I think it's not, I don't even think it's 70 degrees right now. The water, we're here in the Pacific Ocean, right here. Well, we're not in the Pacific Ocean, but that's the Pacific Ocean. And it is cold. This is not water like the Gulf Coast. This is cold, which is probably why you see the surfers in all those bodysuits.